I'm also gonna be eating a little bit throughout this, but
Oh, okay, good. Okay, yeah, so it's recording now.
just let us know when you start. That way we can also open it up as well.
Okay, I'm about to press start. Okay, I press start.
Well, okay. Please create a Java. Try just go ahead and do this first question. Like screen share for it.
Sure. I don't know.
Okay, cool. Second, my clips is still loading. Come on. Okay, cool. There we go. Two. All right, can you guys see this?
Yeah.
Mhm.
This off the way. Okay, so what did it ask us to do?
So we have to make a tic-tac-toe game, basically.
Yeah.
Overall. Create GUI for a tic-tac-toe game that has XO buttons. Must be square.
Oh, first I have to create like the project, I guess, with FX and all files. New other. What is this? Lab. What lab are we on?
This is either 12 or 13, but I don't remember which one.
I'll just call it Lab FX, I guess.
Okay.
Java 11. Take that off. It's add external. Or, did it add? Okay, assuming it added. Fix on now. Finish.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else? I forgot if we had to like delete any of this stuff again. I remember when I was setting up, we had to do stuff, but let me see. Okay, I guess we don't. Okay, cool. Let me close these out. All right. So we have to create a GUI for TikTok that has XO buttons that must be square, contains a reset button, add labels for blue and green player, add label for count of winners for each default 0. Okay, so I'll use anchor pane. Should we use like a grid pane?
A grid. I think so.
Tic-tac-toe is it 3x3?
Tic-tac-toe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 3x3.
Okay. Wait, how do I add column after? Okay. Okay, so that's a grid. I guess how do I have like a thing below it? Default grid. I don't have a grid. I just have like a big pane.
Mm, yes. There's this material.
Like just make it like super big. Oh well, okay, maybe not that big, but what the
We love JavaFX. Also, my
I,
fan's still
I
messed up, so if you hear me periodically mute, it's because it's doing things it shouldn't.
no worries, no worries. Um okay, so I guess we don't need a grid necessarily, we just need to have like buttons, right? Yeah, XO buttons.
Yeah,
So
it's like
that
9 buttons and that's it.
where is that? Controls, right? Yeah, button. And the buttons have to be square, right? Is there a way to change that? Oh, never mind. How come I can't change the width and height? Default button? Nope. Oh, that's the code. So, does that change anything? No, it doesn't. Do y'all know how to make this a square? Or no?
No, I'm looking at it. I'm trying to.
Okay, I guess while you do that, I'll just add all the buttons. But so
Yeah.
it has to be 3 by 3. So, um, oh, could I add a grid pane on top of this pane? Wait, that could actually be kind of. Oh, it's cool. And column after, and then it's a little bit bigger. And then move. Wait, where where'd it go? I should wrap it to the front, right? Wrap there. No, this one should be send it back. Not send it back. Okay, we want it to be. Okay, maybe I don't disagree. Let's go back to get the buttons again. So we need one button there. Button there. Here. All right, I should move this all up a little bit. Stop. It contains a reset button. You just put that right there. Set. Okay. Add labels for blue and green player. Is that here or label?
Mm.
Oh, the way that you change the width is try right clicking on it. Oh, wait, yeah. My bad, not right clicking, double clicking where the pane should show up. That should tell you like the specifics about it.
Wait.
It's like
Like,
the layout panel
oh,
on the side.
and
And
then
then
double click.
where it says pref width and pref height, just make it the same.
Oh, like actually like change it. Let me try like.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, wait, that worked. Okay.
yeah.
Is that too big or what do y'all think?
It's fine as long as there's enough space for the other
Okay.
ones.
Okay, cool. It's not gonna like. Yeah, make it 60. 60.
And then you can.
Yeah, there we go. That kind of works, right?
Looks good to me.
I'll just delete all these and then. Do all the buttons have to be square or just that one? Okay, just those.
All of them.
Wait, I think it's just the XO buttons.
Oh, yeah, that's what tic-tac-toe buttons.
Oh, yeah. Paste into there.
Properties. Text. And then you know how to change the names of them, right?
Yeah. I changed this one to reset, so
Okay.
I don't know if we're supposed to change them yet because the point isn't like the game is that like when the user clicks, that's when it changes. Or am I tripping?
X/O buttons must be square. No, actually.
Labels.
Well, it
Add
says it
label.
has to have XO buttons that must be square, but it doesn't tell us what they need to start out as.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Like, should I just
Yeah.
like call it like
Usually
XO?
they start out blank usually.
Right. So, but should I call it like XO button or should I just leave it as button?
You could say X/O, I guess.
I'll do that. X/O. It doesn't have to be called button. It can just be called X. So,
Mhm.
oh, that's changing all. No, stop.
We did one time, 17 minutes.
Not squares anymore. Oh, there we go.
See, is there a way to make it so that you can't change the height and the width?
They seem like square.
Hmm.
Oh wait, that one kind of looks like a square. Cool. Last thing is a label for count of winners for each. Default 0. Add label for count of winners for each. So wait, is it like number of wins per? Is that what they mean? A label for count of winners.
I think so, yeah.
Default is 0.
Mhm.
So we actually like change that here. Yeah. I'll keep it as that. Okay. All right, cool. What is it? And then it says screen capture of the tic-tac-toe board. Right. Do you want to make a Google Doc, Nyla, since you're the one submitting? So you can just like submit all these?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Save as. All right. Stop sharing.
Okay. Share with others. Okay, so that's been sent to you guys' email, so you can just post the screenshot.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, wait, how much time do we have left?
We currently have about an hour and 15 minutes.
Sounds good.
Okay. Add the code and the ability that if a button is pressed, the button should change to blue.
Who's going to be sharing the screen for this one?
I'm a little reluctant to share mine
I
because
can share
my
my screen.
signal has been crashing.
Oh yeah, another thing too is that I think we can just like explain like if it's gonna crash that much, like I think either me or Max can just share the screen and we can just like explain like like crash.
I'm
So that's how
still
we're
gonna try and okay, yeah, I'm still gonna try and do stuff on my end though.
no, yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry, like he would still do the work, but like you know what I mean, just so we don't
Yeah.
run into any issues and stuff. Okay, yeah. What is question two saying? Add the code and the ability that if a button is pressed, the color of the button should change to blue and become disabled.
Wait, so are we saying that we're going to have one person do it since they already have the board made and then everybody else just kind of like makes a suggestion?
I mean, I
That's
think
what
it's going to be easier because otherwise we'll have to like update like.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Is
Okay,
that
yeah. I mean,
something file?
I can screen share that.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
We're gonna do. So we need the actual.
Logic for reset instructions. We require two screen captures of the tic-tac-toe board with button disabled and blue button, or the entire controller class. Complete.
This is the. You know, this is not. This is where is the. Yeah, this is it.
Okay, so in terms of code, place, grab, insert.
Wait, I forgot. Do we have to? Is this the right one? Okay. So this one would just be called like change. Come on. Change. So that's like on action, right? Once it's
Yeah.
clicked. All right, that should be like for all of them, I think. Wait, that's what it says, right? If if a button is pressed, the color of the button should change to blue and become disabled. Okay. You don't need to. Okay. I just call this like color. Okay, no injectable field found. Oh yeah, that's normal.
What's
Tell me. Hey,
there we go. That's question number 2.
oh, but it called it value. Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, so we need to copy this. Get rid of that. Instead of rename it like call. Whoa, come on. All this. It's gonna be called color. Uh, what is it? Do I have to create like a like? I'm wondering how do I change the color?
Hold
Or
on.
if it's like private button, maybe.
Yeah, I think you need to make some private buttons. Wait 1 second. Let me see where I put my notes. Mhm. So I think you're supposed to create some private variables. Oh my, private labels.
Yeah, that's from. Yeah, I mean we have a label, but the thing is we're trying to change a button, right?
Blue text, green text, button, button, button. Where's the code?
All right, and we are back. Howdy, everyone. Welcome back to
Oh, wait a second.
Do you go back to sample controller?
Yeah. I actually don't know if it's supposed to be in sample controller or not. I'm trying to figure out what the difference is.
So what are you trying to do right now?
Right now we are trying to what do you call 'em? Change the color of the buttons here.
Mhm.
That's the wrong one, sorry. Change it so that when they're clicked, they turn to blue.
And it doesn't matter which one it is. Okay, so what I'm thinking is you have to do that one line where it's like at fxml.
Yeah, right
And
here.
yeah, and then you have to create like a private button for like the buttons on the board. Since we didn't differentiate, I think we would just have like one private button that's like x/o, and then another private button for the reset.
Like private. Do I have to import
Import.
one? Is that why it's like giving me an error?
Oh yeah, I think you need to import the buttons.
I forgot what the import was.
Let me see. Let me see. I'm trying to pull this over the right side.
Okay, that means I also needed one. I guess not X. Or XO. XO.
Mhm. Okay, we found the right one. Then I think
What X?
of controls and constructor.
I have and then India initialize.
Mhm.
Mm. Okay, wait. I think that's. I'm just trying to think what the initialize would be. Like,
Me too. Me too. So I'm also trying to figure out. Controls constructor. Okay. Perhaps.
So X. Is that color of set color? Yeah, not applicable. Not applicable for the following arguments. Is this set color? Set color. Cannot set. Wait, yeah, it is. It is. And I gotta import. Wait, do y'all know what it is to change the color of a button? I forgot.
Let me see. I think it's set style, maybe.
It is, but like it's giving me an error.
I think it's set style. Um, hmm.
Or what does a set style look like inside?
Inside, I have like the color value, but I think there's an easy way to do it. Like, let's see.
But then another way to do it is that we have to say set disable. Also disable this to true. So
Style. Are we missing an include
I don't know.
for set
Like
style?
I generally don't know. So another thing too is preset. Set.
Okay, so I think that maybe when they say initializer, they mean like they want us to follow the instructions where it's like, hold on, let me pull it up. Where it's like if
Let me see. I think I
you
may have found something.
kind of like how you already have it set to false there, and basically like we have to set each button to blue once it's clicked. Maybe that's what they mean when they say initializer.
Yeah, yeah.
Your voice is very low, so I can't hear what you're saying right now.
Oh no, I was
Actually-
just talking to myself. I was just like,
Oh, okay. No
Yeah.
problem.
Trying to think.
At least I think that's what it's saying,
Okay.
if that makes sense. Because I can't think anything else that they would want us to initialize it to, and the only other instructions are if a button is clicked, it has to turn blue, and then that, yeah, that is disabled. So I think that's it. X equal true. And I think we're supposed to do the same thing. I think you can do the same thing that you did for X with O also within the color change.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so if
Instructor.
I'm just wondering, like, am I supposed to have two separate methods?
One for the X and one for, that would probably be best.
So that means I gotta have X color. I'll just call it X color. O color. And this one will be O. It's also gonna turn blue, right? Yeah, it is. Don't need this one. Oh wait, yeah, I also gotta. It'll be O X. I don't even know if I'm just gonna comment this out for now, but okay, so it's gotta be X and O colors. So in that case, I think maybe it would be helpful if we had two separate buttons, like an X button and an O button. That way we can like
That's what I
differentiate.
was, yeah, when I was looking at it, I think maybe switch, yeah, like you were saying, have an X button, an O button, and a reset button.
Like I don't need this. I can just copy paste this.
Oh, that's what you meant. Hmm.
Like, sorry, what did you think?
Because now I'm kind of confused on the setup of the board. Because I was thinking, you know, how you typically see a tic-tac-toe board, it's like a grid, and then you have. I was thinking that depending on like who's going to be X and who's going to be O, we would have like buttons at the bottom, like one that says X and one that says O, and then whoever's turn it is, then they click that button and it goes where it's supposed to go.
Oh yeah, I think I looked at it. It's not like there's a player one and player two necessarily. It's just that it's like different. Like I went down to the further in the quiz or in the lab or whatever, and it was saying it's not about like player one and player two. It's just about like who's clicking. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think it should be fine regardless. Okay, so this one will be called X. This one will be called O.
If anyone wants a time update, we have 50 minutes left.
The only thing is we got to change this to, what is it called? X change, X color. This one is called color. Bro, please. Okay, cool. This should be what? Can it not be the same ID? Hopefully the ID doesn't matter. But that should be like the idea.
Okay. Let's now we can try to run it.
Crap. Okay, I don't think it can be the same. God. Okay. Now that means I just gotta.
In that case, I have to take a new screenshot of the board.
Yeah.
I was kidding this.
And these are not squares.
But
Okay. You just want to take a screenshot of this? That way I don't have to put in the Google Doc or whatever.
yeah. Give me 1 second. Got it.
Probably also means that we're not to. What's the issues? Oh, right. This has to be called X. All right. Then these have to be called O. I can just copy this. X1, X2, X3, X9. That should be connecting the buttons at least. I think now. Exactly where we. This happens if I try running this. Oh. Wait, no, wait, was I hitting the wrong one the entire time?
Warning.
Oh, did I not save this? There we go. I'm gonna see that. Is it not running out?
So is it working for you now?
What's that?
So did you get the colors to work and all that?
Well, it's not like running. Like I can't even.
Okay,
It
let me
just
share my screen because I got something to work. I don't know if that's how we're supposed to do it.
Mhm.
So just let me know. Where is it? So this is what I have so far. It's just like every time,
what the hell? Okay.
like I got this. I don't know if it's right, but
Wait, I mean, Loki, you could just screen. I mean, if you got it, you got it. Like, I'm down to go off of that because, like, we're running out of time, and the fact that you already got that is very good.
yeah.
So,
Can you see my screen right now?
no, I can't at least.
Okay, wait. Let me share my screen again. Okay, yeah. So this is what I have, and like I can do this, and that's pretty much it. So is this what we're supposed to do?
I think so. I'm honestly down to go with this layer as well, by the way, which is just like XO
Yeah.
versus having the separate button. So, wait, let me go back to the lab again.
Yep.
With disabled. Oh, yeah, wait, do you have the disabled? Oh,
Yeah. No, I don't have the disabled yet, but I can implement it real quick.
yeah, wait, if you want, I can show you when, like, if you share your screen, like, it's just set disabled. Like, that's all you add, basically. Yeah, so in every method where you say set style, you just say button like 9 dot here, wait, what I put
Um, button 9.
dot set disable and then set it to true.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me run this. Okay, I think it's working now.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, screenshot that.
And okay, maybe I can share you like put this code in the Google Doc so like you can run the same code and we're on the same page. So yeah, this is the sample FX code that I have. And yeah, like I put the code in the Google Doc if you want to like run the same code, maybe in like a new project or something, but yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna. I
Then,
think there's.
okay. And then reset.
I'm just wondering, Max. I think maybe we should just stick with. Hmm. If you like, even if I run the code, it should be. It's like fine, but like if we stick with you screen sharing, then like since you
Okay.
already have, you know what I'm
Yeah, that's
saying?
cool. Yeah.
Just so we can like maximize as many points as possible. But like, Nadia, you have the screenshot, right, of it like turning blue and stuff, or no?
No, I need to get that screenshot.
Okay, so then Max, if you want, just
Yeah.
like you know,
Reset. Yeah, I'm just going to implement the
oh yeah,
Okay.
and then how do we set the color back to the original color?
that's kind of what I put already here. I'll put this in the Google Doc real quick just so you see it. It's kind of like this. Where's the Google Doc? Where's the bottom? Like that. But just change like the button numbers, obviously.
Okay.
We're at about 35 minutes.
Hmm.
Is that working?
Let me see.
Oh, you have a reset buttons twice. That might be the reason why.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh, your screen captures. Two screen captures.
The reset button is not working. Let me see.
Oh, wait, in the fxml file though, you may have to call it reset buttons. Like,
Like over here.
like wherever you create the reset button, yeah, that ID might have to be reset buttons, or the call action on action thing should be called reset buttons, because that's what the method is going to be connected to, right? No, like in fxml, um, if you scroll to the right, yeah. Oh yeah, wait. Actually, that should be right then. Reset
Yeah,
buttons,
should be
right?
right.
Oh wait, can you try running again? I couldn't see what it looked like when I was running. So oh
Let me see. Okay, so this is
yeah. So press it.
like it works like that. Maybe you can
Uh-huh.
take a screenshot of this.
Yeah, I'll take a
Okay,
screenshot.
that's like half of it.
Mhm.
And then when I click the reset, oh, it's working actually.
I bet.
Okay.
But we also need a screenshot of like the controller class. Oh, when complete.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, cool.
Awesome. All right. So
Okay.
let's just move on, I guess, to question 3. Um,
Yeah.
um, with both players at least selecting one square, the winner condition on the board. Uh, okay. Wait, do not change the colors. We want to see how they won. What?
Wait, what? We will now set up game for 2 human players. Player 1.
But it says player 2 changes the color of the button to yellow. But for now, have the winner have the same color for the top row only. When a win happens, disable all squares. Okay, so are we just coding it in the sense that like once 3 are identified in a row, then you just call it a winner? Is that it? I think so.
Yeah, so
It doesn't
if we
say to
get
like
like
give a
1, 2,
specific.
3.
Yeah, but like, wait, how are we supposed to code that though? Like,
I don't know.
uh,
Yeah, so we need like a function or something that if the button 1, 2, and 3 are all blue and disabled, that's a winner, right?
right. Uh, so do we need like a method? Oh, hell no. Do we need a method for every Okay, but they did say that for now, just have the winner have the same color. So Max, I think what you can do is that you can create a method, right? That like is like oh check winner, and then it should check basically like if color of button 1, button whatever that is are all blue, then that means that like winner is displayed. And then you can call that method in the change color method. Does that make sense? So like when you click a button, right, and it changes color, you should check, all right, is like there a winner available? And if not, then it's fine. But then you just keep clicking, and then eventually it should say that. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes
Yeah,
sense,
I
but
think it makes sense.
I checked. Yeah, exactly. And so since we're just doing it for the top row, what were the buttons on the top row called? Do you know?
Mm,
Bet. Yeah.
How do we check the color though?
Style. Because we said, get style. You say, yeah, get style. There we go.
Okay.
Get style is equal to, you can just say is equal to button like 2.get style, and then is equal to button 3, or whatever the button is in the top row. But it should be 3 in a row though, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's
You're good. Okay, and then what are we supposed to do? We're just supposed to, when a win happens, disable all squares. Okay, so just get the set disable part from reset buttons, or not reset buttons, but just like do set disable for all buttons basically.
okay. So what are we supposed to do? Sorry.
Disable all the buttons. So just like button 1, button 2, button 3, and then say set disable to true.
Okay.
It also says winner condition on the board, but what is it? Winner condition mean that the buttons are disabled. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, put and.
Yeah. Mm,
You can just put like and button 2 dot get style is equal to like just repeat button 2 basically.
okay.
How much time? Nyla, how much time do we have left?
So we are at 26 minutes.
Okay. I mean, we're just going for partial credit here, I think. I don't know if you guys talked to like other people, but like they were saying the lab was kind of hard. At least some people that I talked to. So
Okay, and then once we have this
Okay.
condition, we should like check this in
wait,
like.
make sure you disable for all the buttons, by the way. That's what it
Oh,
says.
probably.
It says disable all squares. Do not change the colors. That's what it says. All right. Should we just test that? Oh yeah, well, we gotta call it first.
Yeah.
So in the I guess you call it in every method.
In all of them, right?
Yeah, because you need to check every single square, like whether it's the winnable, like the last square, basically. Just copy paste that. If you want, I'm just saying, like, save time.
Yeah, I think that's easier.
All right, cool. Let's run that.
Okay, I think it's working.
Oh wait, can we? I don't know if we can see it for some reason.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me try something. Okay, like, okay, and then if I select like these three, everything is disabled, and I guess that's winner.
Okay, good. Yeah. So
Yes.
Natalie, you want to take a screenshot of that?
Got it.
Awesome. All right.
Okay, I think we need like 3 screenshots, right, or something.
Yeah, so that's the first one. Second one is just a controller class, which can just be like at the end, because we need that in every single question. But the second one we need is with both players at least selecting one screen. So, but that's the thing, like, how are we supposed to have 2 players?
Hmm.
Got it. Okay. basically like um how should I I'm trying to explain this. Like if we have wait, Max, can you share your code again? I'm trying to see like how you set it up. Because I think depending on that we could try to like change something. Okay, so you have change color, and that changes for every button, right?
So it depends on which button you're clicking, basically.
Right. Okay, because here's what I'm thinking. Tic-tac-toe always starts off with X, right? Let's say
Mhm.
you just have a Boolean variable, right? Like at the very top, like a private Boolean variable. Whichever button gets pressed, you check to see. I guess not. If
Yeah,
yeah,
like
if
if it's true, you change the color to blue, and if it's false, you change it to yellow or something like that.
exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so we
Okay.
can do that, right? Like,
Yeah. So I guess see here.
so if it's equal to true, that means you're on an X square, right? Or it doesn't. It just depends. Like we can start off with it being true, so that means you would be an X square, and then else you would change it to be the color has to be yellow. I don't know what yellow is, and like I don't know if that's hexadecimal or whatever, but
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So how should I create like the boolean? Just like
I think just create like yeah. Well, up in the before this initialize method, yeah, just create like a bool.
okay. Like I need to do it like fxml or just
I don't
like
know if you need that necessarily. Just try boolean like change color, whatever you called it, and then set it to true. Or set it to true in the initial. Should we set it to true in the initialize or
yeah, I guess I can do it in the initialize one.
okay? Bet.
Okay, and then what is
So
do you know the value for yellow by any
I
chance?
can look it up.
Okay, cool.
How did you find that blue one, by the way? Like,
I just like look I just look it up
okay,
like
okay,
if
no,
it's
because I
yellow.
looked up blue and it's like a different code, so I don't want to give you the wrong code necessarily.
So we need yellow or green because I'm confused now.
Yellow.
Yellow, okay.
Let me go to the thing. It says change the color of the button to yellow. Okay, wait. So is that hexadecimal or is that something else? Like, I don't know. I can just say javaFX yellow.
Okay, I think I found a yellow. Let me see if
Oh,
this
okay, never
works.
mind. Nice.
That's cool. Okay.
So basically, you can just copy paste that if else statement the entire time,
Okay, but
and then just change the button name. Like I'm saying.
yeah. Okay, and how do we change it from true to false? So
So
I
if
guess
yeah, right there,
change
exactly.
color equals false.
And then in the else statement, you change it to true.
Yeah.
How much time are we on?
True.
We have 21 minutes left.
Okay, we got this. Paste that. You might want to get rid of the that set style on line 69
What's that?
because that's going to revert the style. Line 69, you see that?
Nine. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, because we just yeah, exactly. So
Okay, let me see if this is working. Okay, yeah, it's working. Okay.
let's go.
And let me copy this everywhere.
We can actually.
Okay.
Okay, wait, we could actually like speed on this. I just looked at 4 and 5 and like we basically got the logic down for that for the Boolean variable. But tested that works max first and then
Yeah. Okay, so I guess this could be like the first screenshot, like
yeah.
one yellow, one blue.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and I think it's working now. So if I select like, yeah, like that's a winner. So
Got that too.
Okay,
okay,
cool. And then the controller class we'll do at the end. I think we can do this. We have 18 minutes. We just have to go a little fast. Okay. So for question 4, it's just saying any 3 in a row of the same color button and the user wins. But increment the winner count for the player depending on. Okay, so basically, Max, I just think we need 2 different, or not 2. We just need one like method, which is it just checks the Boolean variable. So if the yeah, if the Boolean variable turned true, that means that O won. But if the Boolean variable turned false, that means that X won. And then depending on that, that's how we increment the winner. Does that make sense?
yeah.
Okay. So if you want to just wait, can you go back to your
Oh yeah, let me check. Let me
code?
share my code again.
Because that also means you may have to change the fxml like
Okay, so we need like, okay,
you're gonna have to change the label, or like the label is gonna have to be connected to this method. Like the method is gonna be like increment winner or something like that. It doesn't matter, but okay, cool. And then so if the wait, can you just go up to button 9 or like yeah, right there, right there, right there. So it changes. So if it was X, it changes the style and then change color to false.
yeah,
And then if it won, it would cancel everything. But the last thing of the change color would be false. So yeah. So if change color is equal to false, X wins. So you would increment the X label. How to increment the X label? I remember we like he did that in one of the examples. Let me pull that up real quick.
yeah.
Oh yeah, we would it just okay. You need to create a private label.
Okay, so we
Yeah,
need,
so just create 2 private labels. One for the X winner, I guess, and then one for the Y or the O winner. Sorry. Yeah, so like label X, I guess, and then label Y winner. Okay, and then here, let me just give you this. This is from Lupoli's like video explanation, but it allows you to increment the thing. Here, let me just change value to like this would be X winner, I guess. Dot. Great. I put in the Google Docs, so you can just grab that. These 2 lines right here, yeah.
okay, so what's wrong with this right here?
Oh, you might have to import label. Let me see. Yeah, you do. Here, wait. I'll also put that in the Google Doc.
Okay, cool.
All right, it's right there. Um, yeah, and then else, like in the choose winner.
Okay, yeah, I'm just doing
Oh,
something.
my fault.
Oh, you're good. Okay, so that's working. Okay, and then here, else.
You can just paste that same code.
Yep.
And then just change it from X winner to Y winner. Okay, and then only difference is that we need to Yeah. The only thing is though is that we need to start off to get the text of X winner, Y winner as 0. So let me see how he did that. Oh, and initialize. Do you have initialize method?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
here,
you do. Just put it as X winner / Y winner dot set text to 0 in string. Yeah. Okay, that should work. Just try that real quick.
okay. Let me see.
Wait, also, what is, or Max, you focus on that. On question 4, it says we require 2 screen captures, but what's the second one supposed to be? They don't mention that. Unless it's supposed to be the controller class.
The controller class.
It is? Okay. Wait, then what's the point of zipping the code also? They can just take a look at it. Oh,
Okay.
wait, is there an error? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it when you're trying to connect it?
Yeah, when I try to run it, there's something wrong, but I don't know what it is. FX ID.
Wait, try running it again. See if anything changed.
Oh, I think it's working now.
Cool.
Hmm.
Is it working?
Oh, okay. Okay, I was doing something dumb. Okay, let me see. I don't think it's working. Let me share it so you can see. Okay, so I think if I do this, like, there should be a winner.
Uh-oh. Yeah, there
Oh,
should
I know
be.
what it is. I know what it is. We need to call the choose winner, right?
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah.
So that should be it.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I think that should work.
But when are you calling it though? You need to call it like
Okay,
the
yeah,
check.
it's working.
It works.
Yeah.
Okay. Just screen share it so we can get a screenshot and then
Yeah.
we'll move on. We got like 10 minutes. We can do this.
Okay, so let me see here. Okay.
Oh. All right. Now that you got the screenshot, or you're gonna get it.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, question 5. Let's go. This time it says code legitimate logic 3 in a row in any spot again increment winner count for player depending on. Isn't that what we did?
So any spot. Wait, let me see.
Oh, okay, wait. We only did it for the
For
first
like 1, 2,
three.
3, right?
Yeah, wait. What happens if you try to do it in something other than 3?
I don't think it works. Like,
Just try it. You don't have to screen share, just try it yourself and tell us what happens.
yeah, nothing happens.
Nothing happens.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're only checking like the first 3 squares. So I guess we might just need to like copy this function like several times and check these like every single square. I guess there's other ways to do it, but
Like every possibility.
yeah, I guess that's the simplest way to do it, probably.
Okay.
So if
So
we
what's
check
the yeah, you go ahead,
1,
go ahead, go
2,
ahead.
3, so we have to check
All right,
4,
let me just look up tic-tac-toe, tic-tac winning possibilities.
5.
There are 8 winning combinations.
Okay, so we need like that's the first line, second line. 6, then 7, 8, 7, 9. Okay, 4, 5, 4. This is 3. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the diagonals. So that's 1.
Wait, so have you gotten the vertical ones already?
No, not yet. Oh yeah, let's just do those first. I guess that's better. So it's 1, 4,
7.
7, and
Oh,
then
wait, that one didn't change. It says 4 4 twice. They see that?
oh yeah, I
Oh,
think
never mind, never mind,
yeah,
never mind. Sorry. That's and.
yeah, you're
Sorry,
right.
sorry,
So
sorry. Okay,
then
okay.
this one is like 2,
2,
5,
5, 8.
5, 8,
Yeah.
and this one.
3, 6, 9.
Yeah. And did you get the horizontal ones too, or no?
9.
I think the horizontals are done, vertical, and then diagonals.
I don't know. There's only 2 diagonals, right? Yeah, there is.
Yeah, so it's 1, 5,
5, 9.
9, and
What's the other one? 3, 5, 7.
okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7,
Yeah,
8.
so we have
So
8.
let's go. Okay, okay. And 7 minutes to go. Just screen share that so she can take a
Yeah.
screenshot.
Okay.
Uh-oh,
Okay, that's bad.
the bug.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
let's just go back. Let's go back real quick. We can check. We can check.
Mhm.
Wait, go up, go up, go up. Like when we click button 1, I'm saying like let's just go through it step by step. Like
Yeah.
okay, so change color 1, you set style, then you set disable, and then we go to check winner. So go to check winner. If button 1 dot get style equals, that's not true. If should you make him else ifs? That might be helpful.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It has to be else ifs because if we click 1, right, something like 7, 8, 9, that would return true because it's saying if the styles are the same, and technically those styles are the same because they haven't been clicked yet.
Yeah. You're right.
That's why. That's why. And then you change the last one to an else. Okay, yeah. Now run that.
Um, no, it's still not working.
Wait, it's still like resetting it.
Okay, let me.
I think at like 3 minutes, we just get the screenshot of the controller class. That way, Nyla has enough time to submit it.
Okay,
we
so
have like
every time I click something, like everything is disabled, and the blue player gets 1 point.
and the blue player gets 1 point. Oh,
Yeah, so we're calling the choose winner no matter what.
is there a bracket missing? Like check this else if, see if there's a bracket there. Okay, just keep going up. What about that one? Yeah.
I think all of them.
Oh, they do.
Wait, how much time do we have?
We have 4 minutes.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's smart. See which one is getting called.
Okay.
Run that.
Winner 2.
Winner 2 found. All right. 1, 4 equals. Oh. Wait. Yeah, I know why. It's not else ifs. It's because those would still trigger too. Basically, like. Okay, wait, I got it. Oh crap. It's gonna take too much time. Basically, the get style has to equal. The get style can't equal default. That's a condition we have to check.
2,
Does that
Oh,
make sense?
okay,
Does that make
yeah,
sense?
yeah, makes sense.
Okay, wait, I got it. Instead of checking it within the if statement because it'll take too much time, at the very top, just check like. Oh crap!
Yeah,
That can't
because
work.
we
That
need
can't work.
to, yeah, we can assume that, okay.
Okay, wait. How much time do we have, Nylia? Because I think one thing we do is we can just like put a comment, get some
we
partial credit.
have 3 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I think we just because that would take too long.
Mhm. Okay, yes, so do we need to like zip these files and all that, or?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
she needs a screenshot of this controller class. Also in the comment, just say like we know like we're supposed to not consider like the default color as the style, but we just ran out of time. Just so they know that we know what we're talking about. We just ran out of time.
We shouldn't consider the default.
Fix it. Okay, yeah. I don't know how you're supposed to get a
So I guess
screenshot at
we
the same
just need
time.
like another if statement to like check if their default, like you need to check like if 4, 5, and 6 are not default, and if they're not, you go again and check if their styles are the same.
Yeah, but we have to do that for every if statement.
Yeah, so yeah, it's going to
Is this
take
the
some
entire
time.
controller class?
There's like a lot.
Okay, let me just try to share this.
Oh yeah, if you want, put it in the Google Doc and then I let it just like zoom out of the Google Doc like a bunch. And then
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, yeah. Or if you want to take like 3 screenshots of my.
oh yeah, that could also work too. It just whatever saves
I
you
think
time.
I'll just do the one where I can zoom out because that'll reduce the
Okay,
number of
cool.
times I need to put it in there.
And then also wait, we still need to zip the code though, right? So
Yeah,
Violet, if you want, just can you just copy paste that into like an Eclipse file?
yeah.
Because they just
Which
need that
page does
part.
it start on in the Google Doc?
So it's on page.
Does it start on page number 1?
No. Page number what? 6, 7.
Page number 7. Okay. So let me copy.
I think you have like a minute or something. So I'm just looking at my time. I started around the same time as you, so just letting you know.
Copy. Let me see. Yeah, I do have about a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's in there. Sorry.
Okay, I send you the zip file.
Okay, wait. She has like
I
20.
actually already put the zip file in there.
Okay, there's like
Okay.
20 seconds left, I think. So just try to quickly submit everything.
Okay.
At least that's how much time I have. So, or like now, like 10.
Do we need any other screenshots or we got all of them?
I think she got all of them.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's like 5 seconds.
Okay.
Were you able to put everything or no?
So the controller class screenshot, I did not get.
Okay, but were you
I
able to
did
zip it
zip everything together into a file
and like
and
upload it
screenshots.
and it was uploaded?
Mhm.
Okay, I feel like that should be because again, if they can see the code, they can get the
Yeah,
screenshot.
like if they have the code, like that's basically the whole file.
That's the screenshot. Like
Yeah.
I don't know what else to expect.
Yeah.
Like Okay, that's good.
Okay, so let me stop
Good job.
recording.
How many more labs do we have in this class, by the way?
I think we have one more left.
And then, oh wait, what about the project? We need to. Oh, that's individual. I
Has he
think.
released the details for that yet?
Yeah, it is released, but it's like not well, like explained, if that makes sense.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But it's in the modules. It's like, where is it at? It's right after week 9.
Okay.
All right,
Okay,
then.
I see it now, project.
You do. All right. Max, you have the recording, right? Or I guess.
Yeah, I have it
Oh,
and I'll upload everything else.
Okay.